Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Coin Z Collection, where we dive into the fascinating world of rare and valuable coins from all over the world. Today, we're going to take a closer look at something extraordinary. The 50 Kuruş 2017 coin from Turkey. You may not believe it, but this coin could be worth millions. Stay tuned as we explore its background, significance, and why this particular coin is so valuable today. The coin 50 Kuruş coin was first introduced in Turkey in 2005 as part of the country's new currency system, following the changeover from the Turkish lira to the new lira. The 50 Kuruş is half of one Turkish lira, and over the years, it has become a standard part of Turkish circulation. But the 2017 version? That's where things get interesting. This particular year marked a slight modification in design. You see, coins, even those with smaller denominations, often undergo subtle design changes based on the economy, political events, and national symbolism. The 50 Kuruş coin features an intricate pattern, with the denomination on one side and a symbol of Turkey's strength and heritage on the other. So, why is a 50 Kuruş coin from 2017 potentially worth so much? To understand this, we need to dive into some numismatic concepts. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Coin values are often determined by several factors: rarity, demand, the condition of the coin, historical significance, and sometimes even errors in minting. Let's look at the rarity aspect first. In the case of this particular coin, there were limited editions or special versions minted that weren't intended for regular circulation. These coins are often the ones that increase in value over time. The value of the 50 Kuruş 2017 coin, in particular, has risen for several reasons. For one, the number of coins in circulation for that specific year is much lower compared to others. That, combined with the global interest in Turkish numismatics, has created a surge in demand. Now, let's talk about the million-dollar aspect. This isn't just about the coin's rarity. It's also about the condition. Coins that are preserved in mint condition, meaning no scratches, discoloration, or wear, are the most valuable. A coin that has never been touched or used could be worth much more than its face value. In fact, collectors have reported sales of these coins at auctions, with prices sometimes reaching upwards of $2 million in rare cases. Of course, this doesn't mean every 50 Kuruş 2017 coin is worth that much. The million-dollar value is typically reserved for coins that have a unique characteristic, such as a misprint or minting error. Now let's take a closer look at the design of the 50 Kuruş coin. On the obverse side, you have a clean and modern design featuring the Turkish coat of arms and the denomination. But did you know that the smallest design choices on a coin can make a huge difference in its value? For example, the mint mark, a small letter indicating where the coin was produced, can sometimes be a key factor. A rare mint mark or the absence of one can lead to a higher value. Some coin enthusiasts believe that even small changes to a coin's shape or edge can be used to determine its origin and history, which adds an additional layer of intrigue and value. Now, let's take a step back and talk about the world of coin collecting in general. Coin collectors, also known as numismatists, often buy and sell coins in markets that can sometimes be quite competitive. This competition can drive the price of rare coins to extreme values. The Turkish coin market, in particular, has seen increased global interest. Collectors from the Middle East, Europe, and even the United States have been showing more interest in Turkish coins, and that demand has certainly influenced the value of the 50 Kuruş 2017. If you think you might have one of these valuable 50 Kuruş coins lying around, there are a few things you can do to determine its worth. Start by checking the minting year, the condition, and any potential errors. You can also refer to online databases or visit a professional numismatist to get a proper valuation. So, there you have it. The 50 Kuruş 2017 coin may seem like a small piece of currency and history. The coin 1 Kurus coin from Turkey, 2012, and it could be worth a staggering $1 million. Yes, you heard that right. But how? Stick around because we're going to dive deep into the history, rarity, and potential of this amazing coin. First, let's go back in time and understand where the 1 Kurus coin came from. The Kurus is a unit of currency in Turkey. and it has been a part of the Turkish lira system for centuries. It is worth 1/100 th of a Turkish lira. The Kurus coins have been produced in various years, and each one tells a unique story about Turkey's economic and political history. Now, the one Kurus coin you're seeing here was minted in 2012 as part of Turkey's modern coinage. While this coin is part of a regular series, it was initially released as a common piece in circulation. But little did anyone know, this particular coin would turn into a collector's dream. So, why is a regular one Kurus coin from 2012 worth up to $1 million? Let me tell you, it's all about rarity and certain unique characteristics that set it apart from all the other coins minted that year. At first glance, this coin may look like just another piece of modern currency, but it has some key factors that make it extremely rare. For one, it was part of a very limited run, and only a handful of these coins were released into circulation. Some are believed to have been withdrawn quickly due to a minting error or an overlooked design flaw, and these became extremely difficult to find. Another reason is a significant variation in the coin's composition. Most one Kurus coins are made from copper nickel, but a select few were mistakenly produced with a special alloy, and these particular coins are the ones that command astronomical prices. Now, let's take a closer look at this coin's unique features. The obverse side of the one Kurus coin features the iconic portrait of Mustafa Kemal Ataturk, the founder of the Turkish Republic. Surrounding this image is an inscription in Turkish, Türkiye Cumhuriyeti, Republic of Turkey. On the reverse, you'll see the denomination one Kuruş along with the emblem of Turkey. But here's the kicker. On the special version, the mint mark, or rather the lack of it, plays a crucial role. Many of the coins were supposed to bear the Ankara mint mark, but some rare one Kurus coins from 2012 were minted without it. That small detail, or in this case, the lack of it, is what makes these coins incredibly sought after. The first known discovery of this extremely rare one Kurus coin happened when an unsuspecting collector stumbled upon it in a common change jar. At first, they thought it was just another typical coin, but after a closer inspection, they realized they had something special. After a few experts confirmed its authenticity, word spread quickly in the numismatic community. Suddenly, what was once considered a mere curiosity became one of the most coveted pieces of modern Turkish coinage. Fast forward to recent auctions, and we've seen prices for these rare coins skyrocket. Some of them have even sold for as much as $1 million. But the most important question remains, what makes these coins worth such a high price like many rare coins? The market value of the one Kurus 2012 is determined by its condition, rarity, and the demand among collectors. Coins that are in pristine, uncirculated condition are especially valuable. If you happen to find one of these rare coins in circulation, your best bet is to take it to a reputable numismatic dealer or auction house. But don't expect to just stumble upon one easily. These coins are incredibly rare, and the vast majority of them have already been pulled out of circulation and are held tightly by collectors or investors. Okay, so how do you spot one of these rare one Kurus coins? Let's walk through a few key things to look out for. First, check for the mint mark, or rather the absence of it. Look closely at the bottom part of the coin's reverse. If there's no Ankara mint mark, you might be holding a valuable piece. Next, check the overall condition. Coins that have been kept in pristine condition, with no wear or scratches, are the most valuable. Finally, consider the provenance where the coin came from. If it has been part of a famous collection or auction, its value could increase even more. So there you have it. The one Kurus 2012 coin from Turkey may seem like a small piece of currency, but in the world of numismatics, it's a true treasure. While most people overlook it, this coin holds the potential to change the life of a collector who stumbles upon it. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into rare coins and their incredible value, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe my YouTube channel Old Coin Z Collection.